Welcome to this channel Science by AKSL. So in this lecture we will discuss about the Ohm's law and the resistance and its unit, resistivity, electrical resistivity and all. Okay. So what is actually the Ohm's law? The Ohm's law is basically given by the George Simon Ohm. In 1827, a German physicist George Simon Ohm found out the relation between the current. As you know, the current is denoted as capital I and the voltage difference V. So he has formulated the relationship between the current and the potential difference. So according to the Ohm's law, at the constant temperature, the current I flowing through a conductor is directly proportional to the potential difference of that circuit. So it is written as the V is directly proportional to the I. By removing the constant proportionality, we have to remove this constant proportionality. We have to add a constant वहां पर रखनी पड़ती है. Okay? If we are removing any constant proportionality, तो यहाँ पर एक constant हमने रखा, that is the R. So what is R? It is a resistance. What? Resistance. अब resistance क्या होता है? So resistance is nothing but the opposing force. जो फोर्स ऑपोज लग रहा है, जैसे हम फोर्स में पढ़ा था कि फोर्स के सामने कुछ लग रहा है तो उसकी वजह से फोर्स गेट रिटार्ड. Similarly, here there is a resistance which retard the flow of the electric current. So R is the resistance, the opposite force offered in the flow of the current. ऐसा यूनिट क्या होगा? Because the resistance is distorted by the Ohm, so he has given his name Ohm, OHM, and its symbol is this. Resistance is the potential difference upon the current. R is V by I. Okay. Basically, there are the two types of the physical quantities. एक होती है हमारे पास scalar quantity, एक होती है vector quantity. Scalar मतलब कि those unit which require only magnitude that are called as a scalar. Whereas a vector requires the direction and the magnitude both. So here only we are supposed to be having the magnitude. यहाँ पे कोई भी डायरेक्शन चाहिए नहीं, ये कौन सी डायरेक्शन में करंट फ्लो हो रही है. सो उसी यूनिट ओम एंड डिनोशन उसका दिया है. सो व्हाट इज 1 ओम? सो इफ one potential difference is created in the electrical circuit and we are giving the 1 ampere current, so it is called as the 1 ohm. So here resistance is directly proportional to the voltage but inversely proportional to the current. मतलब जितना potential difference बढ़ेगा उतना resistance बढ़ेगा. And the current कैसा है? Current is inversely proportional to the resistance. मतलब current बढ़ा, resistance कम हुआ. Resistance बढ़ा, current कम हुआ. So they are in the inverse relationship. So last part of this lecture, that is the factors on which that resistance depends. So basically that resistance, opposing जो force लग रहा है हमारे wire में, वो किसके ऊपर depend है? So basically they are dependent on the two factors. एक उसके length और एक उसका area of cross section. एक wire होता है उसका cross section होता है. So length, जितना बड़ा length उतना resistance. अगर 2 मीटर length तो resistance कम, 5 मीटर resistance ज्यादा. Area of cross section कैसा होगा? Cross section जितना ज्यादा resistance उतना कम. So they are in the inverse relation. So R is directly proportional to L. R is directly inversely proportional to 1 by A. So by adding the equation 1 and the 2, R is directly proportional to L and inversely proportional to A. R L by A. अब इसको भी फिर से रिमूव करने के लिए हमारे पास क्या होना चाहिए? There is a constant and here we are putting the constant that is called electrical resistivity. That is the rho. क्या बोलेंगे? Rho. और उसका symbol है this. This is the symbol and it is pronounced as the rho. R is equal to rho L by A. Okay. अब उसके ऐसे यूनिट हम डिराइव करते हैं. So rho को सब्जेक्ट बनाते हुए R A by L. R means ohm, area means meter square और यहाँ पर मीटर. तो मीटर मीटर गया तो क्या बचा लास्ट में? ओम मीटर. सो दिस इज द ओम्स लॉ एंड हियर वी एंड्स द लेक्चर.